Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
So, how are you all today?
We are good. Thank you.
You're welcome, dear ones. So, students, today we will learn something interesting. So, everyone pay attention very carefully.
Yes, teacher, we will.
So, say this. What is this all things? Tell me.
These are shapes.
Yes, which shape can you tell me?
It's somewhat like circle. It seems like circle.
Students, you all are in which standard?
We are in ninth standard.
Yes, so please name this circle properly.
It is a sphere.
Yes, so what are we going to study today?
About sphere.
Okay, so any idea what we are going to study today about sphere? Basically, what is here to learn about sphere?
Its volume and surface area maybe.
Absolutely, very good. So today we are going to study about volume of sphere. So students, now just observe the object I have. Now tell me how many objects are there near me?
There are two objects.
They are object or shapes?
Shapes.
Yes, so which are they?
One is cylinder and the another one is a sphere.
Okay, so I have sphere in my left hand side and cylinder in the right hand side, correct?
Yes, correct.
Now see it very carefully, okay? Now filling the cylinder half with water and mark the level of water with a marker.
Yes, ma'am, we marked it with red marker.
Okay, good. Do it along with me. So now let me drop a spear into cylinder and now just observe the water level. What can you observe here?
We can observe here that the water level got increased.
Do you know why? Okay, listen now. It got increased due to the increase in the volume. The volume of a sphere is the same as measure of volume of water that is displayed by. Understood?
Yes.
Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi times cube of radius. So the formula will be
4 by 3 pi r cube.
yes, good. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Let me take one example to illustrate and use this formula. So the first question is that what is the formula supposed to use where V stands for volume, R stands for radius. Correct. Now put this formula and start solving the sum. Now see how you are going to solve this question. You already know the formula that you have is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So firstly we know that here the radius is 28. So we will put first the volume 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then we will put the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7, into 28 into 28 into 28. Why? So it is r cube. So our r, that is radius, is 28. So 28 3 times because r cube. After solving this we get an answer that is 91889.33 centimeter cube. So now you have to find that what is the radius. Find that 91889.33 is the cube of which number and write the answer there. Now let us solve the next question. So for next question we have the volume of sphere, that is 38808, and the radius is unknown here. We have to find the radius now. So firstly what we will do, we will put on the value in the formulas. So we have the formula here, that is volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So in the question the volume of sphere is already given, that is 38808. is equal to 4 by 3, then we will put on the pi's value, that is 22.7 into r cube, as r is unknown here. Now by using simple mathematical solution we will solve this, and at last we get r cube is equal to 9261. Now tell me, this is the cube of which number?
21.
Yes, good. So our radius is 21 centimeter. Now you understood what and how we are going to find the radius as well as the volume of the sphere.
Yes, we understood, ma'am.
So will you do it by your own now if it comes in your exams?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, teacher.
So student, we are done with today's topic. Let me take a short recapitulation on what we have studied today. So today we learned about shapes. Okay, basically we studied the which shape? We studied sphere, and after that we studied about sphere, right? We found out the concept that how to evaluate the volume of sphere. Okay, you got to know about the formula for volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, yes, where V stands for volume, R stands for radius. Okay, and what will you take here, the pi's value? 22 by 7. Very good. So in the next class we will study next topic. Okay, now just solve the sum that I am giving you for evaluations.